So welcome back to the online math class. Today we'll discuss about probability. Actually the normal probability already you have studied about it in class 11. So here we are mainly concerned about the conditional probability. So now what is conditional probability? Definition: the probability of at the event E, the probability of event E is said to be conditional probability of E given that F has already occurred and is denoted by P of E by F. So the probability of E with respect to the probability of F, where F is already occurred, the probability of event E is said to be conditional probability of E. Is said to be conditional probability of E given that F has already occurred. Okay. Now, what is the formula? Conditional probability of E given that F has occurred as P of E by F, that will be the number of elementary events favorable to E intersection F divided by number of elementary events which are favorable to F. That means n of E intersection F by n of F. Okay. Now if you divide both the numerator and denominator by S, that means the total number of elementary events of sample space, then it will be converted to P of E intersection F by P of F. Okay, isn't it? If you divide both numerator and denominator by n of S, that is the total number of elementary events of sample space, then the numerator will be probability of E intersection F is the event means the probability of that which is constant probability. That means the probability of actually E with respect to an event F that is already occurred. Okay. So now move on to the exercise. Here you will get many examples. You will give many examples. Suppose I am telling you one problem. That's a problem number 10 from 539. A black and a red dice are rolled. Find the conditional probability of obtaining a that the black die resulted in 5. That is the, that is here, the you are asked to find the conditional probability of obtaining sum greater than 9 given that the black die resultant 5. So resultant in 5, that is the given given event, that is the f, and the conditional probability of obtaining a sum greater than 9, that is e, with respect to the black die resulted in 5. Okay, so that is one example, probability of e by f, probability of an event with respect to a known event actually, isn't it? Try to do it, the question number 10. Try to do it, question number 10. I am waiting. Try to do it, question number 10. I am starting from question number 10. Try to do it first of all. I am telling you the example and now try to do it. Here the sample space containing n of s means here, n of s means here, tell me, Akash. I am waiting, respond me. Question number, n of s means the supplementary events. So n of s means, okay. Now here a be the event of obtaining greater than sum greater than 9, and b be the event getting on the black die. Okay, let a be the event of a sum greater than 9, and b be the event the black die in a 5. So here you have to find a, isn't, here you have to find p of a by b, isn't it, Akash? P of a by b means, that is probability of a with respect to probability of b, that means a intersection b by. Now tell me p of a intersection b, tell me p of a intersection b, how many results are there with the common portion of a and b? Favorable cases, favorable cases, p of a intersection b, how many favorable there? B 2 by 30. Why 2 by 36? Can you explain why 2? A be the event obtaining a sum greater than 9, and b be, it is the two favorable cases. intersection B, R in 5, red, the red dice in 5 and the black dice in 5 and the red dice in 6 and black dice in 5, because the black dice is always in 5. Okay, tell me. This, tell me. 6 by 36 R1 5 3 isn't it favorable to 6? Isn't it, Akash? Subhajit, you are correct. Type it first. Is it done, the first portion? Question number 10. 10. Here, event obtaining and B, event of event event of getting a number less than 4 die. Event of getting to find P of A by B So P of A by B means P of A intersection B by P of B. Now tell me, P of A intersection B, how many cases are there in A? How many cases are there? Here also n of S equals to 36. P of favorable cases and obtaining, so means that means B3, sorry, R3 B5, R2 B6. I think there are two favorable cases, R B5 will be 8, yes, 2 by 30. P of B, P of B, how many favorable cases in B? Can B means uh, on red dye. That means half number of cases with respect to the sample space. B2 R2 B3 R3 B4 R B4 R1 B6 R1. Okay, B will change unchanged on 1. So with starting with B1, starting 6 cases, then start, that means keeping R1 unchanged, keeping R3 unchanged, 6 cases. Total number of favorable cases, that is with respect to the event B, that is 18, isn't it? Akash and Subhajit, isn't it 18? Isn't it 18? Isn't it? This one. Keeping R1 fixed, it will be 6 cases. So there will be 8 cases. Is it 18 by 36? Is it 18 by 36? Isn't it? Is it? So it will be 1 by 9. Answer 1 by 9. Answer 1 by. So that's all for today, and we'll solve the problems from 11. Okay, and best of luck. And before leaving the for taking the attendance, thank you all of you.